Greetings, beautiful people. This is Fine XYZ, and I'm back. Still on the road to WASSCE 2026. Let's have a look at this question. You have been given sin x to be 0.6, and the condition that x, which is the angle, should be between 0 and 90 degrees. That means the angle should be in the first quadrant. You have been tasked to find 1 minus tan x. We are also supposed to leave our answer in the form of a over b, where a and b are integers. So let's start. Now we've been told sin x is equal to 0.6. We can express 0.6 as 6 out of how many decimal places? 1 decimal place, so it means 1 0. Then this can be simplified because 6 and 10 have common factors. So 2 can divide 6 3 times, and 2 can divide 10 5 times. So this will leave us with 3 over 5. So this is equivalent to 0.6. So sin x is 3 over 5. And this angle x should be in the first quadrant. So if you are sketching our quadrant, this is our x, this is our y, this is negative x, this is negative y. The angle, which is x, this is our angle. Now we know sine is opposite over the hypotenuse side. So sine of an angle, this side is opposite to the angle. So this side is opposite, this side is hypotenuse. So the opposite side will be 3, and then hypotenuse side is 5. Now we have a right angle triangle because this is a 90-degree angle. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem, which says that in a right angle triangle, a squared plus b squared will give us c squared. Then, since we don't know the adjacent side to this angle, let's call it a. We can say a squared plus what is b squared, that is 3 squared, should give us 5 squared, which is the longest side, that is the hypotenuse. So we can do a squared is equal to 5 squared minus 3 squared. Then 5 squared is 25, 3 squared is 9, 25 minus 9, that will give us 16. Since you are looking for a, you can take the root of both sides, and we can conclude that a is equal to 4. So this missing side is equal to 4. So we have a complete sides of the right angle triangle. The adjacent side to angle x is 4, the opposite side to angle s is 3, and the hypotenuse is 5. We have been tasked to find the value of 1 minus tan x. But what is tan x? Now tan on angle x is opposite over adjacent side. So let's bring our 1. What is the opposite side to x? That will give us 3. And what is the adjacent side? That will give us 4. So tan x is equivalent to 3 over 4. But 1 can also be expressed as 4 over 4. The reason why I expressed it as 4 over 4 because I want them to have equal denominators. Then I'll bring my tan x, which is 3 over 4. Then can simplify this to be 4 minus 3 all over 4. And then finally 4 minus 3 will give us 1 over 4. So the value of 1 minus tan x is 1 over 4. But look at this. We are supposed to leave our answer in the form of a over b. That is what we have been able to achieve. A is 1 and b is 4. And both numbers are integers. Thank you for joining me. If you found this helpful, kindly leave a comment, share this video to all your friends, and please subscribe to the channel. I'll be back with another video. Until then, stay safe. I'm out.